So, hello everyone, my name is Arjun Singh, and today we are going to make a to do application. So, firstly, uh, like in my last video, I shared you what about the props as well as props as well as the parent to child and child to parent and child to child and how we can pass our data. So, we are going to cover today how can we create a basic to do app. So for that, firstly, I will share my screen. Yes. So just type here react.new. So guys, like if you are facing struggling, if you facing issues in React, so that's mean you are in a right path. Like, and you need to do more practice so you can understand React easily. So here is our uh, code sandbox. Yeah, it'll take time. Yeah, okay, this is our a new application. Yeah, so this is showing some error, I think. So no, this is not an error, right? Yes. So first we have to make a to do component. So we can create our folder component here. And in component, I'm going to make two components. First one is input component, input dot jsx. Here we can add our to do. And second component, to do list. Here we can show our to do. So first we just import our React. From React export const and input return if input. And same thing we are going to do this with to do list. So here our to do list. And yeah, so now we are going to remove this one and adding our tag input. And second one, to do list. Yeah, input setting is wrong. Wait for a second, I have to. So like here any error comes, 1 second. Yeah, now there is not showing error. Yeah, so you can see our two component. Here is the input and here is to do list. So suppose uh, initially we don't have any input, like we are, like initially we have some already we have some to do's in our application. So how can we show this? So first I will create some to do's, like uh, const some to do's, right? First I create the id one, and the to do, like coding, right guys? And second thing, id2, here is a second to do, we are giving the name dsa. So we can give this name as a our initial state, and we will definitely cover where our initial state will come. Initial state will is assigned a value but never used. All right, don't worry, we are going to use this. So guys, as you remember, I told you we are in React we are using props for passing the data. So if I want to show the data in my to-dos list, how can I show? So I just need to do one thing. So first I will come my app.js and pass here as you can pass anything. I'll pass the to-do list, or yeah, and here I can pass initial state, and maybe this looking a little like unfamiliar with you guys. Okay. So we passed to-do list here, and we can only call it initial state, like this initial by this to-do list. So we can write here, like we can write uh, to-do list, and we just need to console what is in our to-do list, right? Yeah, this is coming undefined. One second, guys. So we don't need to register it. We are getting nothing. We have to check it why we are not getting nothing, because I'm not getting nothing because I'm using, like I'm uh like I pass this to-do list in my to-do list, and here I'm you know like um, without any reason I am calling from my input. This is wrong. I just need to call it from this to-do list, so I can console from here to here. So now we will say what will, yeah. Now we are saying we have an array of objects, right? This ID1 and ID2. So if I want to display our to-do list, how can I display? So guys, here we have the map function. If you know, so first I'll put this. Uh, yeah. So I have to map our to-do list. So I have a way. So so we have to use these curly braces because everything, like when we have to use JavaScript, so we have to use curly braces, guys. So we just need to do to-do list dot map function. We are using map to do. So one thing, guys, remember, like if you are using these curly braces, right, these curly braces, so you have to write written here. And like if you are not writing written here, you will get some error. You will not get any data. So here is our div, and yeah, closes. Yes. And now, yeah, to do map is not a function. Okay, no problem. So to do is an array. We need to do only. So we just write here to do dot to do here and in a curly braces, right, guys? So now we are having a same issue. Wait, guys. So okay. So inside the array we have the object. So don't worry, we can use this. Yeah. So now I'm getting my objects. You can see coding and DSA. So maybe yeah, you will confuse ki how I write this to do dot to do. So if I show my object to you guys, so here I write to do, and this is our to do. So I can write here anything, el suppose, and I can write this el, right? So you can, and you will, yeah, you are thinking that why are we getting these warnings? So this is warning for, like, we have to use uh, like a different key for like every element, like every div. So we can use here key dot id, right? Now we are not getting the error. Yeah, our console is clear and we are getting the, so in this way we are pass our prop. Like firstly what I did, I made a initial state, like you can say initial to do's. We have coding and DSA. I'll give the IDs to them, and I just pass this like a prop. And so we have to do list, and So this is our, I can use this. So suppose if I'm not using this, like if I'm not using restructuring here, this is called restructuring. So I can write here, like I can write here any name, no need to write any specific name. So I can give here console const to do list to do's. Suppose to do list is equal to my props dot to do list. Maybe you guys little confused how I can get the data, right? So firstly we have to understand what in our props. So if we console our props, so what we get here, we are getting here a, first we getting a object, and in object we are getting the array, right? Here's our to do and here's our arrays. So guys, remember this thing, when we are passing the prop, or we are using the props, so we need to destructure it here. Like you can do like this also, or if we, like if you do destructuring here, so your one step, you know, is removed, you save the one step. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. And so this is about the to-do list. And so you can uh, to practice it. So yeah, that's enough in this video guys, and in the next part we are going to make the input part, right? And how we can add to do in our to do list. So I hope you are understanding these things now. And so thank you so much guys for your time.